Everybody, it is Crypto Moose in the Moose is Loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do right now is talk about the Cardano ADA handle customization. So we'll get into that right now. Let me get things set up. So ADA handle customization. This is going to be a good little episode. For those of you that don't know, you can customize your ADA handles, and we're going to get into it a little bit. It's not going to be a tutorial. I just want to bring it up to your attention. So I just want to make sure that everybody's kind of up to date with everything. So comment down below how you guys have been this week. And I'm basically on my 10th video for tonight. So I've been recording quite a bit. Yeah, the moose is getting to the point where he's done filming for the day. All right, so right now we are on handle.me. What I want to explain first is what is an ADA handle. So you know how you have your public address where it's a long string phrase of letters and numbers. So if we go to, for example, Mitch Wallet Nami here, if you go to receive, you have a QR code, and you also have this long, ADDR 18 blah 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 blah. That gets confusing. That's a lot of work. It's hard to remember that, right? So what you can do is you can mint an ADA handle or buy one, and it's an NFT that you hold in your wallet that represents, like your address. So for example, let me give you an example here. In this wallet, I have hockey.ada. So I minted this. You could even buy one on JPEG Store. Maybe search for your name. Because I have this hockey.ada handle in my wallet, what I can do now is use that as my public address. So if somebody wants to see my address, they can go to pool.pm, put hockey.ada. So we'll do that right now. All right. So if we go to pool.pm, we will do $ hockey.ada. And now you will see this wallet. Okay. So if I ever want to see what I have or just manage my wallets, what I do is I have several different ADA handles, and that represents a different wallet. So for example, for giveaways, I'll have a wallet. For, I have people in my life that I want to leave them crypto. I have a wallet set up for them. So it's a great way to track different wallets as well. It makes it easier for sending and receiving. So what you can do because of this, and I have, for example, we'll do it right here as well. I own Red Cape. So this wallet has 12,676 ADA. What I can do is send Cardano to this wallet very easily. All I have to do is copy or type in Red Cape, and I'll give you an example. So what I'm going to do is send like 10 ADA here. So it's 12,676. So with Nami, I can paste Red Cape, put 10 ADA, and put, hey, bro. And now I am sending a transaction of 10 ADA to this wallet. So it's 12,676. This will be 12,686 in just a second. So we'll actually see how long it takes for a Cardano transaction to hit the wallet. So it's very interesting. And what you can do now to take this even further is you can customize your ADA handle so that you have a QR code. You could have links. So that's kind of what I want to get into. So it looks like this transaction just went through. Okay, so we'll see how long this takes. So it's 12,676. We'll see how fast Cardano's operating right now. There we go. So we just received 10 Cardano. So that is how you can leverage your ADA handle. So it's definitely a cool tip. You just saw that we received 10 ADA. This could also be in the form of an NFT. And it's very easy. So for example, let's say, I have a phone and I want to send it to cold storage. Well, I'm not going to remember the public address. What I can do is just do $Red Cape, go into cold storage. So that's what I like to do with my Cardano. Now, ADA handles. So it's adahandles.me, I believe. We'll go through that for you. And by the way, let's get this organized a bit for you. If you guys go to the channel, you can type in ADA handle, and I've got 2 videos on how to mint an ADA handle. So this one's 7 minutes. Maybe just watch this one. You'll learn how to mint an ADA handle from scratch. So that's the goal of the channel. I want to educate everybody for free right here on the channel how to do this stuff. So that's the beautiful part about the channel, right? So if you want to learn how to mint an ADA handle, I'm not going to do it in this video, but you'll connect your wallet, you'll search, see if it's available. If not, pick one up on JPEG Store. Perhaps we'll show you that as well. So what we're getting into right now is the handle.me. So it's handle.me. You can connect your wallet, and as you can see in these images, you can customize your ADA handle. So for example, you could have QR codes, you could have links to your link tree. So for me, I'd probably want to have a Crypto Moose one, although the guy that owns it, he ain't selling it to me. So I'm actually going to do a little research. And Dapp Central, I want to give it a shout out to him as well, because he did a fantastic episode on this. So I do want to show you guys. Perhaps I'll put the link down in the description below as well. So if you guys check out Dapp Central, he does a video covering the ADA handle customization. So he definitely got to me first. Fareed, gotta slow down, man. Gotta slow down. He's doing a good job. So here you can see the all the handle information and whatnot. So maybe we'll even go to the personalization. So personalization, the testnet. So we'll even go. So this is just the website. Now, one thing to remember is that not all wallets will allow you to connect and do this properly. So for example, because I have NAMI set up and not really anything else, I don't know if I'll be able to properly do this. So connect wallet. I don't believe Yoroi works. Eternal should work. NAMI works. Let's see this. Let's try this out. So if we connect our Lace wallet, that's how you would connect the wallet. Of course, I don't even have an NFT in here. So you can get your handle. You can mint. It'll take you to the website, and you could personalize it. So I just wanted to bring it to your guys' attention. Right now, you can customize your ADA handle. I'm going to be doing another video going over the actual customization process and whatnot. So that being said, guys, the moose is loose. We do have a free Cardano mini course. Check that out. People are enjoying it. We're starting to get some good reviews for it. So check that out. Pick up a Trezor. You can save up to 20% off with the link in the description below. That being said, guys, the moose is loose. The moose is hungry. The moose has to go. Cheers.